Making the decision to permanently delete a Gmail account is a big step. This video, I'll guide you step-by-step process to delete your Gmail account. Let's get started. Step 1. Access your Gmail account. First, make sure you're signed into your Gmail account. Once you're in your inbox, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture or initial. Click on that. In the menu that pops down, click on the button Manage Your Google Account. This will take you to all your Gmail account settings and security. On the left-hand side of your Google account page, you'll see a navigation menu. Click on Data and Privacy. Now, scroll down the Data and Privacy page until you find the section labeled More Options. Inside the More option, you will find Mail a plan for your digital legacy and delete your Google account. Now press Delete your Google account option arrow icon. Gmail will ask you to verify your account. Provide your Gmail password and press Next button. This is the final warning. Google will show you a page outlining everything you will lose. You will get option to download your Gmail data before delete from all your Gmail service. Scroll down page. Read through the check boxes carefully. You will need to check the boxes to acknowledge you understand the consequences. Finally, click Delete Gmail. Your Google account and all its data have been deleted. Within a short time period, you can recover your account. That's it. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel to get more tech guide. Thanks for watching.